In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to implement the Getting Things Done, or GTD, system inside Notion step by step. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by tasks, ideas, and projects scattered everywhere, GTD is one of the most powerful productivity frameworks you can use, and Notion makes it incredibly flexible and easy to manage. By the end of this video, you'll have a fully working GTD system inside your own Notion workspace, ready to capture, organize, and actually get things done. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Notion and productivity tutorials. All right, let's jump right in. To get started, open Notion and go to your main workspace or any page where you want to add your GTD system. Once you're on that page, look toward the top right area of the page and click on the small arrow or menu icon. This opens up additional options for the page. From this menu, click on Templates. This will take you directly into Notion's template library, where you can browse and add ready-made systems created by the community and Notion itself. Inside the Templates area, move your cursor to the search bar and type in Getting Things Done. This helps you quickly find GTD-related templates without scrolling endlessly. Once the results load, look for the template named Getting Things Done, often labeled as a complete or all-in-one GTD system. Click on the Getting Things Done GTD template to open its preview page. Here, you'll be able to see what the system includes, such as inboxes, task lists, projects, and review sections. When you're ready to use it, click on the Add button. Notion will then ask where you want to add this template. Choose Add to Private if you want this GTD system to live in your private workspace, which is ideal for personal productivity and task management. After adding it, Notion will automatically create a new page called something like GTD Productivity System in your workspace. Click on the GTD Productivity System page to open it. This is now your main dashboard for implementing GTD in Notion. Inside this system, you'll typically see sections like Inbox for capturing everything that comes to mind, Next Actions for actionable tasks, Projects for multi-step outcomes, and Reference or Someday sections. Take a few minutes to click around and familiarize yourself with how the system is structured. From here, you can start using GTD properly by capturing every task or idea into the inbox first, then regularly clarifying and organizing those items into the appropriate sections. You can also customize the system by renaming databases, adding properties like due dates or priority, and adjusting views to match your personal workflow. The real power of GTD in Notion is that it's flexible, so don't be afraid to tweak it as you go. And that's it. You've successfully implemented a GTD system in Notion using a ready-made template, and you're now set up to stay focused, organized, and productive. If this video helped you, don't forget to like it, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.